Have you ever looked in the mirror and quietly wondered, why am I here? I remember sitting in my room one night, scrolling through everyone else's highlight reels online, and feeling like I was just ordinary. Like maybe my life didn't matter much. But then I came across one single verse that completely reframed everything. And that's what I want to share with you today, because it might just change the way you see yourself forever. Ephesians 2:10 says, "For we are His workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them." We are His workmanship. The original Greek word here is poema, which literally means masterpiece or work of art. You are not an accident. You're a carefully crafted design from the Creator Himself, created in Christ Jesus. This means your true identity is not found in achievements, job titles, or people's approval. It's rooted in Christ. The moment you follow Him, your story is rewritten. For good works, notice it doesn't say saved by good works, it says we're saved for good works. Salvation is not just an escape, it's an assignment, which God prepared beforehand. This means your purpose was written into your DNA before you even took your first breath. God had plans for you long before you planned for Him, that we should walk in them. It's not about knowing the verse, it's about living it, walking daily in the path God designed for you. Think about a potter shaping clay. It looks messy, sometimes cracked, but in the hands of the artist, it becomes something beautiful and useful. That's you in God's hands. You're His artwork, His craftsmanship, His masterpiece. Maybe you've asked yourself, does my life really make a difference? According to this verse, yes, it absolutely does. Every act of kindness, every prayer you whisper, every time you choose integrity over compromise, you are stepping into the good works God prepared just for you. So let me ask you, what's one good work you believe God is nudging you toward this week? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Your answer might inspire someone else who needs the encouragement. To every Christian, follower of Christ, and seeker watching this, remember, you are not random. You are God's masterpiece, created with intention, saved for a mission, and designed to make an eternal impact. So today, walk boldly in the truth of Ephesians 2, because the reason you're here is bigger than you ever imagined. Friend, never forget, Ephesians 2 verse 10 reminds us that you are God's masterpiece. You were created in Christ with a purpose, and the good works He prepared for you are already waiting. Your life matters more than you realize. If this message encouraged you today, I'd love for you to join our community here on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new Bible-based encouragement every week.